Overcoming challenges, strategies for perseverance. Challenges are an inevitable part of life. Whether they come in the form of a difficult work project, a personal setback, or a major obstacle, they can test our resolve and make us question our ability to succeed. However, it's important to remember that challenges can also be opportunities for growth and development. By learning to overcome challenges, we can build resilience, develop new skills, and become stronger and more capable individuals. Here are a few strategies for overcoming challenges. 1. Break the challenge down into smaller parts. When faced with a daunting task, it can be helpful to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This will make the challenge seem less overwhelming and give you a clear path forward. 2. Set realistic goals. When working to overcome a challenge, it's important to set realistic goals. This will give you something to work towards and a sense of accomplishment when you reach them. 3. Get support. Don't be afraid to reach down to friends, family, or professionals for help and support when dealing with a challenge. They can offer you valuable perspective and encouragement when you need it most. 4. Learn from your mistakes. When things go wrong, it's easy to feel defeated. Instead of giving up, take the time to learn from your mistakes. Consider what went wrong, what you could do differently, and how you can prevent similar problems in the future. 5. Stay positive. A positive attitude can make a big difference when dealing with challenges. Try to stay optimistic and focus on the progress you've made rather than dwelling on what's not going well. 6. Keep things in perspective. Challenges can seem insurmountable at times, but it's important to keep things in perspective. Remind yourself that this is just a temporary setback and that you have the ability to overcome it. 7. Seek professional help if required. There are times when the challenges are too difficult to handle alone, and in such cases, seeking help from professional counselors or therapists could be beneficial to help you overcome that challenge. 8. Celebrate your successes. When you overcome a challenge, take the time to celebrate your success. Recognizing your achievements will help you stay motivated and encourage you to take on new challenges in the future. Remember, challenges are a natural part of life, and they can help us grow and become stronger. With the right mindset, realistic goals, and the right strategies, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. If you find this video beneficial to you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, activate the bell button to get notifications of new videos, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Our channel, The Motivation Bureau, will make your life better. See you in next videos.